Hey there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how to turn off accessibility icon on your Android phone. On my screen you can see in the bottom right hand corner a man kind of icon. This is the accessibility icon. So if I tap on it, it will give me a list of options, such as brightness up down, volume up down, etc. So let's start how to turn off it. Go to your phone settings, and then find out accessibility option according to your device. Once you reach here you can see the first option, which is Access Accessibility menu. Click on here. Now you can see it is turned on, you need to simply turn it off. And you can see the accessibility icon in the bottom right hand corner, just it gone away. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.